Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifyluvstyle. This is your first time of stopping by. Hi, welcome. On this channel I talk about fashion, beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. I have a new haul for you guys today. So now let's get into it. So today's haul is Walmart Spring Collection Work Outfit Edition. Walmart came out with their spring collection and I saw some items which I went ahead and bought because I know it will be suitable for work. And you guys know that I love styling business casual on my channel, so I thought I should also share Walmart's spring collection. They are the ones I think that you can wear for work. So I don't know if you have seen my Walmart spring collection video. So check that out and let me know what you think. And so now let's get started. So I have my paper here because I don't want to forget anything. So grab a drink, grab tea, popcorn, whatever is your vibe, and relax, chill back because it might be a long video. I'm trying not to make it too long. So the very first outfit I have is this blue stripe button down shirt that I got from the brand Free Assembly. This shirt comes in size extra small to extra large. So Walmart was very size inclusive this time, which is very thoughtful of them. And this brand Free Assembly, this they have this button down shirt in white and blue, white and orange, and they also have it in white, and I think some other color. I there's also, it's not really white and blue, but it's just I didn't really care for it, so I have it in this white and blue stripe. And in this video I styled it with my black pencil skirt. It's an old skirt that I got from Kohl's a while back, and I added these belts which I also got from Walmart a while back. And I'm carrying this black handbag from Walmart. It's also from the brand Time and True. I think it's available right now. This bag went on sales. I don't know if they bump it up again because I'm seeing that some of the things that was on sales, they now bumped up the price again. So be mindful of that in case you are interested. And I'm also wearing my black heels from DSW. So now let me show you guys the next outfit. So the next outfit I have is this black knitwear dress, and it have this light blue collar and also on the neck side with the buttons. And I love this dress. It's a long sleeve dress. It comes in the size extra small to extra large. It is also from the brand Free Assembly. I just love this dress. It is simple, but it's something that you can style up, you can accessorize, and it will look different. So this dress has slits on both sides, which makes it more attractive to me. And first, in the styling part, I style it with my Mary Jane block heels. That Mary Jane heels, I got it from H&M last year. And next I was added a black belt, and I'm carrying my Walmart black handbag. It is very simple, it is very chic. You can also add a blazer to this dress. I think you can also wear a trench coat on this dress, but I don't want this video to be too long. It's already going to be long. But you get the idea. Subsequently, I'll be styling this outfit so that you guys will see how I am wearing them. You check me on Instagram. That's where I do a lot of styling. And also check out my YouTube shorts. I will be styling this outfit, so watch out for those. On to the next outfit. So the next item I have is this set. It is knitwear. It's which I have on right now. I have the top on, and it comes in a set. This set comes with this cardigan that have pockets on both sides on the front, and it also have this detail here, but it's not a pocket, but it's just a nice detail. You can see the color is white and navy blue. It has that Chanel look. And it's from the brand Free Assembly. It comes in a size extra small all the way to extra extra large. I made a mistake. I should have gotten mine in a medium. I got the cardigan I got in large, then the skirt I got in medium. It's sold separately, so that way you can play around with the size. But I would say on this particular outfit, stick to your regular size, because the reason I bought the top in large was because the brand Free Assembly, they tend to run small, but not with this outfit. So I would say this particular outfit, stick to your regular size. It comes in, is it pink and peach? Link this in the description box. It comes in this navy blue color. It comes like in a light blue. But I was just like, oh my god, this is such a Chanel vibe. You know, I was going for that look. And it's a cardigan, button down cardigan. The skirt is is short, not that short. It sits on top of your knees, and the cut of the skirt is, I don't even know if this is an A-line skirt, but you know, this is, it has this cut that just flares out a little bit on the side, which I really really like. So that way it doesn't make it look so short. And in the starting part of this video, first, because it's a set, you know how versatile a set can be, I styled it just the way it is. I started with my white clutch and my white bag. Then next, I added a white button down shirt, which is also from the brand Free Assembly. The shirt is also in size extra small all the way to extra large. I got mine in a size large. I styled it with that shirt, and I changed my shoes to white pumps, which I got from Amazon, and I'm carrying my Time and True white handbag, which I got from Walmart early, is it early this year or last year? Get where I am going with this look. I don't know, it just gave me that, is it Emily in Paris look, or that French girl look, you know what I mean? That was the vibe I was going for, and I hope I pull it off. So let me know in the comment section if you like the way that I style this particular outfit. I think it's cute. So next, I also styled this cardigan top with that wrinkle pants that is from Scoop. If you have not seen my Walmart spring collection video, I will link it here so you can check it out. I talk about that pants. So this pant is a wrinkled pant from Scoop. It's also a set, so I just added the pants to, because it's navy blue, I thought it would go well together. I styled it with my white pumps from Amazon, and I'm carrying my Zaposi navy blue handbag. So what do you think? I love the way this turned out. So let me move on to the next item. So the next item I have is this green dress. It is a knitwear dress, and it's from the brand Free Assembly. I just love this dress. As a matter of fact, Free Assembly, they have featured this dress before, I think last spring, but the cut was, the neckline was different. That one was a little bit of scoop neckline with this little sleeve, but the same fabric, the same idea, the same like bodycon dress. So this one has a little bit of mock neck, and it's not heavy. It is quite lightweight, despite the fact that it is a knitwear, and it has a slit on the side. I just love this color green, and it's one of the color for the season. And in the first part, I styled it with my white heels. That way you can wear for church, you can wear for like lunch, you can even wear for like, where can you wear this to? I guess you can style this up for date night. Just change your heels. Why not? You can style it for date night. Just change your accessories, and that's the first way that I styled it. Then next, for work, added my green sandals that I got from Macy's, and I'm carrying my navy blue Zac posing handbag, and I added this blue navy trench coat that I got from Walmart from the brand Scoop. And this trench, it ranges from size extra small to extra extra large. I am wearing it in the size medium. I just love this look. Who knew that green and blue, navy blue, would look this good? What do you think of the way that I styled it? Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think of all this outfit, and I'll be sure to leave all the links in the description box. As I am recording this video, everything is still available from walmart.com. You have to order online. These things, they are not in stock. So on to the next item. Will I say that I saved the best for last? I think I did. So the next item I have is this suit set that I got from Walmart. It's from the brand Scoop, and it comes in size extra small all the way to extra extra large. I got this in a size large, which was where I made a mistake. I should have gotten it in medium. So I would say stick to your regular size. I just love this color. This is peach color. I just love it. It is soft, it is spring, it is subtle, it is just so pretty and so feminine. I love the cut. It have this asymmetrical cut. It is a one button blazer, and the sleeves are ruched. You know, it also have an inner button, and it is lined. I just love this. The pant is like a wide leg pant, and is high waisted. It has pockets and it has belt loops. So I just really love this outfit. And in the styling part, first I styled it with my white clutch and my white heels, and it is so oversized on me because I got the wrong size. I already reordered a size medium, so I will be sure to style this when I get it. And then check me on my Instagram and shorts to see how I will be restyling this outfit, because it's a set, and you know what you can do with the set. You can wear this blazer with a black bottom. You can wear this blazer with jeans. You can wear it with a dress. I just love the versatility of this set. And of course, you know, the pants too, you can wear with different colors of top. So watch out and see how I'll be styling this in the near future, because I'm going to return the large and keep the medium because I already ordered the medium. And so in the next styling part, I added this check trench coats that is also from the brand Scoop. I also made a mistake. I ordered this trench in a medium. It runs from extra small all the way to extra extra large. I should have gotten a large. Look at the way these outfits look together with this coat. I just love this color combination. The fabric is a bit thick, so this is not something you can wear for summer, but you can wear it throughout spring, if depending on the weather wherever you live, because I live in Houston, and even during the spring it's like summer. So except when I go into a building that is, you know, where the air condition is on, that's where I can keep this trench on. Even though I love this trench so much, I am thinking, how is this going to be functional for me, and how is it going to fit my into what I already have. So I don't know. So let me know in the comment section, do you think I should keep this trench? So comment, let me know if you think I should keep it. Do you like the way that I styled it? So beautiful with this suit set, and the overall look just give me this bougie vibe, but in a very sophisticated way. So I am so tempted to keep it, but at the same time I'm trying to think. I'm trying to be reasonable, because you don't want to buy something that you're not going to wear. So we're not doing that this year. So let me know what you think. I will be sure to link everything in the description box, and just let me know which one or which of this outfit you think I should keep. I don't know which one to keep. I'm so confused. Everything is so pretty. So help your sister out, okay? So lovelies, that will be all for this video. Let me know what you think, and I will leave all the link in the description box. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload, you get that notification. And check me out on my socials to see what I'm doing. I am also on YouTube Shorts, so watch out for those. And until my next video, take care of yourself, remain blessed, and thank you for watching. Thank you for all the love and the support. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye.